Hi friends, this is Sarinath. You are watching Tech Hunt in English YouTube channel. Today's tech news. Apple has launched 4 devices. Each model has 3 storage variants. The devices namely iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 mini coming with a display size 5.4 inch. The storage 64 GB has MRP of 69,900. 128 GB MRP is 74,900, 256 GB 84,900. iPhone 12 coming with the display size 6.1 inch. The storage 64 GB has MRP 79,900, 128 GB 84,900, 256 GB 94,900. The iPhone 12 Pro has display size 6.1 inch. Storage 128 GB, MRP is 1,19,900, 256 GB, 1,29,900, 512 GB, MRP is 1,49,900. The iPhone 12 Pro Max, the display size is 6.7 inch. The storage 126 GB has MRP 1,29,900, 256 GB 1,39,900, 512 GB 1,59,900. All these iPhones coming with iOS 14 operating system. Apple 12 coming with A14 Bionic powerful processor built on 5 nanometer technology, which is power efficient processor. All models coming with OLED display and supports to 5G. iPhone 12 mini and iPhone 12 Pro Max pre-order is set for November 6th. In India, both likely will be available on November 13th. iPhone 12 and 12 Pro go on sale in India from October 30th. And the pre-order starts from 23rd of October. As a result of MRP slashes on iPhone level on all other previous models, you would see the greatly reduced prices on Amazon for these models. The nutshell is iPhone model SE 2020 64 GB. MRP earlier was 42,500. Now you would see the MRP 39,900. iPhone SE 2020 128 GB. Previous MRP was 47,800. Now the MRP is 44,900. iPhone SE 2020 256 GB variant. Earlier MRP was 58,300. Now the MRP is 54,900. iPhone XR 64 GB. Previous MRP was 52,500. Now the MRP is 47,900. iPhone XR 128 GB. Previous MRP was 57,800. Now the MRP is 52,900. iPhone 11 64 GB variant. Previous MRP was 68,300. Now the MRP is 54,900. iPhone 11 128 GB. MRP was 73,600. Now the MRP is 59,900. iPhone 11 256 GB. Earlier the MRP was 84,100. Now the MRP is 69,900 rupees. Coming to the next tech news, OnePlus has launched OnePlus 8T model on yesterday. The main features are it is coming with 865 SoC processor with 65 watts fast charge and it supports 5G. It is coming with AMOLED display with refresh rate 120 Hz. The variant 8 GB with 128 GB storage is priced about 42,999. The variant 12 GB with the storage 128 GB is priced about 45,999. It has also claimed that the complete charge will be done just in 39 minutes. And if you are expecting 58 minutes of charging, in just 15 minutes. It is coming with two colors. One is aquamarine green and another is lunar silver. This mobile is eligible for 10% discount on HDFC cards on Amazon Great Indian Festival Day. It is coming with very good build quality and ultimate fast charging. The only drawback is there is no IP rating on wireless charging. OnePlus has announced the Android 11 updates for all its previous models. The roadmap for Android 11 updates are for OnePlus 8 Pro and for OnePlus 8 it will be October by end of the October 2020. For all other models like OnePlus 70 Pro, OnePlus 7, OnePlus 70 Pro, OnePlus 70, OnePlus 60, OnePlus 6 and OnePlus Nord, it is expected that by December 2020. Today Xiaomi has launched two mobile models, Mi 10T and Mi 10T Pro. Both the models has display size of 6.67 inches, having the front camera 20 megapixels, battery capacity of 5000 mAh. Both will be working on Android 10 and both will support 5G. When it comes to Mi 10T, it has a quad camera setup. The main camera will have 64 megapixels and others is 13 megapixels and 5 megapixels. It has two variants. One variant coming with 6 GB RAM and another is 8 GB RAM. When it comes to Mi 10T Pro, it has only 8 GB RAM variant. When it comes to the price, Mi 10T 5G, when it comes to 6 GB RAM, it is 35,999. When it comes to 8 GB RAM, it is 37,999. And when it comes to Mi 10T Pro, the price is 39,999. And all these mobiles are available in Flipkart for pre-sale. That's all in today's tech news. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment and hit bell icon. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in my next video.